Launching a business or bringing a product to market takes a leap of faith. In theory, it's simple. You ideate, build it, launch it, measure it, and iterate. But in practice, your assumptions can be faulty. Building takes too long, and you get stuck with something that's no good. In fact, more startups fail because of poor validation than any other cause. But what if you could test drive your ideas and be assured that they are optimized for success? What if there was a shortcut to product validation? With Windmill Design Sprint, you can. Windmill Design Sprint condenses months of debate into 2 weeks of intense work. It provides certainty about your product goals. Windmill Design Sprint is powered by design thinking, the same framework that underpins all Windmill's product design success. With design thinking, we work with you to empathize with the customer, define the target problem, generate ideas, make a prototype, and test the solution. This ensures your solutions are not only right for the customer, but have clear business value and are technologically feasible. Real experience innovation lies at the heart of this intersection. How it works. The design sprint takes place over 4 days. To meet the needs of enterprises and to fit busy schedules, decision-making participation is required for just 2 days. Before the workshop begins, Windmill conducts preliminary research to establish the scope of the sprint. Only with a clear goal from the outset will the sprint produce a concrete solution. Day 1 is for discovery, empathy, and mapping. We define the challenge and the target audience, build empathy for the key user personas, and map how the customer will interact with your products and the challenges they face on the path to achieving their goals. Day 2 is for deciding and storyboarding. We sketch out ideas to find the concepts worthy of exploration and create compelling stories of customer experience. On Day 3, Windmill's design team takes over, producing prototypes, which on Day 4 are validated by users and stakeholders. On Days 5 to 10, Windmill turns the validated concepts into something real. Windmill provides you with a report packed with insight for sharing with investors and potential customers, and a clear idea of how to make that vision a reality. Put the customer at the center of your decision-making. Build a shared vision with clear priorities and confidence you're on the right path. Windmill experienced design experts have run more than 300 design sprints, helping leading companies frame game-changing ideas, and we've adapted the workshop to be equally successful online or in person. It's time to accelerate with confidence.